Today we are in the CBD. We came to test out how people respond to watching our point of view videos with a VR headset. So we're just gonna walk around the CBD and get people to watch the VR headset and get their response and find out what they think about the product and how we can improve on the point of view services. So because we're in the time of Corona, we are going to sanitize the VR headset before they watch the video. And of course we have our masks. I just don't have mine on now because I'm talking on the video, but yeah, follow us.
Okay guys, so we have been kind of walking around a little bit because we were waiting and looking for the perfect spot that didn't have all the wind that is currently happening in Windhoek right now. The August wind is so early and it's kind of almost ruining our shoot, but we're not going to let it stop us because we are victorious and we are jumpers. So we jump and we adapt to the situation and we keep on moving. So now we're going to, talk to people, show them our videos and hear what they say about our product, our service, and how we can use it, and if it's something that they would adapt to their market or to their business. Let's hear their opinions and see how they react.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're good. Yeah, we jumped on Namibia and we just finished with our street survey, and it was tough, a bit challenging, The city is always busy, people are moving up and down, So, we're trying to stop some people, but they're like, nah, maybe next time, like maybe tomorrow. But we had like fun, We engaged with a couple of people. They gave us like the feedback we wanted. Not really what we wanted, but what we expected so far. Yeah, and we're looking forward to hear more from anybody who's seeing this from anywhere in Namibia. We jump on Namibia. Follow us on all your social media platforms. Stay tuned. Shout.